Can you tell us?
That's right. This arraignment lasted all of 10 minutes, and both Jake Haro, through his public defenders, and Rebecca Haro, through her court-appointed private attorney, entered a plea of not guilty. Now, I believe we have some video. This was just recorded, has not been edited. We saw Jake Haro. He is not part of the general population in jail. He is kept separate for his own protection because of the charges that he is facing. Rebecca Haro was wearing blue. We didn't see the color of her pants, which apparently determined of the general population either. Again, both of them entering pleas of not guilty through their attorneys. They really didn't speak. Jake said, "Good morning." He stood right in front of her. She is sitting behind him. Jake and Rebecca were on opposite sides of the courtroom, both of them brought in through separate doors. I did not see either of them look at each other at any time. I may have missed a glance, but Jake Haro kept his eyes on the judge, and Rebecca was covered by, again, her attorney that you see there and more. That is a law firm that works with the county of Riverside, the Riverside County Public Defender's Office. They are appointed by the court. Next important dates, they have what's called a conference. That is also referred to as a trial readiness conference. That date has been set for September 16th. And basically the lawyers come together with the judge, with the defendants in this case, and talk about the trial, their readiness for the trial, what they expect, and if there's a plea deal that is reached. And I want to note here that the Riverside County District Attorney, Mike Hestron, said there were no plea deals in the works. But again, that was last week, so things could have changed. That will be discussed on September 16th. On September 17th, the next day, that is the scheduled start date for the preliminary hearing, often referred to simply as the prelim. The prelim is where we will hear, most likely, not all of the evidence the prosecution has against the Haros, but just enough to convince the judge that there is cause that they be held over for trial on charges of murder in the death of their baby boy, Emmanuel Haro, only 7 months old when he was